Survey.
Magandang question po yan. In terms of our methodology, sir, stratified random sampling quota. Kapag nakakota na kami sa isang area, stop na. Let's say 12% lang ang Metro Manila. Pag naka 12% na kami ng 2-4, stop na. Ibang area na yung open. Hindi na sir pwedeng sumagot. Naka-program po lahat sa atin.
So, 12% yung fix na ano.
12% lang naman po kasi ang Metro Manila, ma'am. There are some survey firms na pag nakita niyo po, Metro Manila, Balance Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kaya po, minsan nag-skew sa ibang kandidato kasi more than 12%, almost 20, are within Metro Manila. And then, when you say Balance Luzon, hindi naman talaga siya balance kasi 23% ang Northern Luzon and Central Luzon. What's happening now, baka Calabarzon ng lahat yun and Central Luzon, GMA. Nasa ng Region 1, nasa ng Region 2, ang 3, nasa ng Bicol Region, nasa ng Mindanao. This is a balanced approach po yung ginagawa natin.
Last note na lang, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yung dun sa dalawang huli, ang hilig ko dun sa huli, no? Kasi mga bagong pangalan sa akin si Ahmad Hindi, sino bumoto sa kanila? Curious lang ako. Saan sila mataas?
Meron pa nang bumoto rin.
Oo, meron Pumasok sila dun sa
Siyempre, mga kamag-anak.
Wala pa ako sa...
It's very random. The data is very random because they're using them as feeders.
Feeler lang copy.
Feeler lang po sila.
So,
Copy lang muna. Para may...
That's
a
unfortunate.
picture na. Picture.
Yan po, but again, thank you po sa lahat po na nag-attend. So, last question po, ma'am. Yes po, kayo po ay...
Joy of Remate po.
Joy of Remate, ma'am Joy.
Sir, balik po tayo dun sa survey niyo. Ask ko lang po kung paano kayo nagkakandak ng survey. Gaya po ng, di ba po sa... Meron tayong face-to-face na survey. Di ba po, pwede siyang through sheets po na kilapan. So sa online naman po, paano tayo nakakapag-conduct ng survey?
Magandang question po. So, I think you came in late now. So, we're using our Tannery app po, yung isang mobile application for data gathering. So, we have 1 million users nationwide who regularly answers our survey. Every time po, we have our own survey. We launch it there. Target to our demographics, place in quotas, sagot po kayo. So, ang mabilis po dito, mabilis siya talaga. And it's accurate. Meaning, ginawa po namin ang survey na to November 6 to 9. The data was actually available last week pa po, but we pegged yung report po namin press con because of the weather. So that's why we're having our press conference. Sa app po yan. Ano po yung ginagawa? Bakit may mga sumasagot ng survey? It's a really community mo namin. And it also helps na they're incentivized. What do you mean by incentivized? Every time they answer our survey, they earn points which they can use to win in our weekly raffle draws, which is registered with the Department of Trade and Industry. And that's our way of validating our users. Kasi we have more than 100,000 winners already. Yung 100,000 winners na to, before you claim your prize, bago kayo bigyan ni Boss Martin ng cellphone, ng grocery, ng cash, bigyan nyo yung valid ID nyo.
iPad.
So that's why we validate. Sagot lang po kayo, download na po.
Download ka lang sa Google Play.
Hindi ka nagbablog.
Group picture.
Again, salamat po. And again, thank you for coming. We'll be having another one. After po nito, the press kits are outside. It contains the articles, the report that I presented this afternoon as well. And a small hamon token po natin. So let's have a picture po together.
Group picture po tayo.
So,